Five soft skills that will accelerate your career in banking and business, more important than technical skills. Only people who get it are the people who get it. Welcome back to Jay Get It. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed that some people seem to move up quickly in their careers while others stay stuck in the same position for years? It's not always because they're smarter. It's not always because they have more experience. And it's definitely not always because they work harder. In many cases, the difference comes down to one thing: soft skills. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Soft skills? Those aren't as important as technical skills. That's exactly what many professionals believe. But here's the reality. Technical skills may get you hired. Soft skills often determine whether you get promoted. Today, we're going to break down 5 soft skills that can dramatically impact your career growth, whether you work in banking, financial services, business, healthcare, technology, or just about any profession. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why these skills are becoming even more valuable in today's workplace. Let's jump right in. The first soft skill is communication. Communication is one of the most powerful career tools you can develop. Think about it. Every day you're communicating with customers, coworkers, managers, vendors, or clients. The ability to clearly explain ideas, ask effective questions, and actively listen can separate high performers from everyone else. In banking, communication can mean explaining a complex financial product to a customer. In leadership, it can mean helping a team understand a new strategy. In customer service, it can mean turning a frustrated client into a loyal customer. Poor communication creates confusion. Strong communication creates trust. And trust creates opportunities. The second soft skill is teamwork. Success rarely happens alone. No matter how talented you are, most accomplishments require collaboration. The most successful professionals understand how to work effectively with others, contribute to team goals, and support the success of the entire organization. Think about a branch in a bank. The teller team, personal bankers, branch managers, fraud specialists, and operations staff all depend on one another. When teamwork is strong, the customer experience improves. When teamwork breaks down, problems start appearing everywhere. People who can collaborate effectively often become leaders because organizations need individuals who can bring people together and drive results. The third soft skill is adaptability. And this one may be more important today than ever before. Technology is changing. Industries are evolving. Customer expectations are shifting. The workplace looks very different today than it did just a few years ago. The professionals who thrive are not always the strongest or most experienced. They're often the most adaptable. They learn new systems. They embrace change. They adjust when circumstances shift. In banking alone, we've seen the rise of mobile banking, artificial intelligence, digital payments, fraud prevention technologies, and new regulatory requirements. The people who adapt continue growing. The people who resist change often get left behind. The fourth soft skill is problem solving. Every organization has problems. Every customer has challenges. Every team faces obstacles. The question is whether you're someone who identifies problems or someone who solves them. Strong problem solvers don't panic when issues arise. Instead, they gather information. They analyze the situation. They identify possible solutions. And they take action. Imagine a customer walks into a branch because their debit card was declined. A transactional employee simply explains the issue. A problem-solving employee investigates the situation, identifies the root cause, and helps the customer find a solution. That's the difference. Organizations value people who bring answers, not just questions. And those individuals often become the most trusted employees on the team. The fifth soft skill is emotional intelligence. This is one of the most underrated skills in the workplace. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand your own emotions while also recognizing and responding appropriately to the emotions of others. Think about the best manager you've ever had. Chances are they weren't just technically skilled. They understood people. They listened. They stayed calm under pressure. They knew how to handle difficult conversations. And they built strong relationships. In banking, emotional intelligence can help identify fraud victims, de-escalate upset customers, and build trust with clients. In leadership, it helps teams remain motivated and engaged. In life, it helps create stronger personal and professional relationships. Now let's put all 5 of these skills together. Imagine a team working on an important project. Strong communication keeps everyone informed. Teamwork ensures everyone works toward a common goal. Adaptability helps the team adjust when unexpected challenges arise. Problem solving helps overcome obstacles. Emotional intelligence keeps relationships strong and morale high. When these skills work together, something powerful happens. Performance improves. Relationships improve. Results improve. And career opportunities begin to multiply. Here's the reality most people don't realize. As technology continues advancing, technical skills can become automated. Artificial intelligence can analyze data. Software can perform calculations. Machines can process transactions. But communication, empathy, leadership, judgment, and emotional intelligence remain uniquely human. That's why soft skills are becoming some of the most valuable skills in the modern workforce. So if you're serious about career growth, don't focus only on technical knowledge. Invest in your ability to communicate. Learn how to work with others. Become adaptable. Develop your problem-solving abilities. Strengthen your emotional intelligence. Because your technical skills may help you get the job, but your soft skills will determine how far you go. And remember, only the people who get it are the people who get it. If you found value in this video, make sure you subscribe to Get It, hit the notification bell, and join our growing community of professionals committed to learning, growing, and succeeding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.